today we are looking at the Cooler Master High Airflow XB mid-tower case, although actually it's more of a cube case, though it says mid-tower on it there. It also doubles as a test bench. So here's the front panel. It's all made of good quality plastic and metal. It's got on the front two USB 3 ports, a headphone and a microphone socket, a normal reset switch, and a nice big power button. It's got two 5¼ inch bays at the front if you so wish to use them. I'm not. And two X-swap hard drive bays, suitable for SSDs as well. This is the side of the case. See, it's completely metal, very sturdy. It's got handles to lift it up with, though this isn't the kind of case I would recommend carrying around. It's not, just because it's got handles on it, do not think this is a portable case. It's not, it's big. On the top here you can fit a 200mm fan if you so wish. There's plenty of clearance between it and the motherboard below. On the back here you've got room for two small 80mm fans, room for 7 expansion slots if you want to use SLI Crossfire. I don't know what that is, to be honest. Room here for a 120mm fan, or radiator even, or both. This is where the motherboard goes, and below is where the power supply unit goes. And as you see, there's kind of this cutout out of the back, so you get a little bit more room inside. Makes it slightly easier to route the cables. Okay, so I'll quickly take this thing apart now. I'll tell you the dimensions. It's 442 by 330 by 423mm. It can support VGA card lengths of 334mm and the CPU height of up to 180mm, which is more than enough for most people, I would say. Inside here you've got the normal things. You've got clips for toolless installation for your hard drives, your motherboard standoffs, various screws, and some cable ties for some cable management. If you're anything like me, you'll have loads of those left over from all the other cases that you've used in the past. You've got two front 120mm fans. You can also fit a radiator and two more fans in there, which is what I have done. This is our front switches, USB 3, fans, etc, etc. You see this supports ATX, Mini-ITX and Micro-ATX. Plenty of room for any of those. At the bottom here, under the power supply unit, there is a dust filter at the bottom to help it stay nice and clean. This is where the X-swap hard drives plug into, two SATA cables and a Molex power cable. Easy. Makes it very quick to change your hard drives out. At the back there are four 2.5 inch bays, and these are the two 5¼ inch bays there. On the bottom there's some really nice rubberized feet here. There's the dust filter once more. Okay, so let's have a look at it with some components in it. Okay, here if you see I've got the Corsair H100i in here in push-pull. And I've got two graphics cards in SLI for a different video that you'll be seeing sometime in the future. And if you see, there's plenty of room to do everything. I mean, if you so wish, you could route the cables a little bit better than I have there, but I did put this together quite quickly. Overall, this case is very nice. It's very well made. It's made of very sturdy materials. None of it kind of flexes. It's all very good. It is quite large and it does weigh quite a lot, especially with components in it. It's not mobile, but if you're in the market for something like this, then I couldn't recommend it any more highly. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.